increasing monthly visitors from 800 million to over a billion. One of the most popular websites in the world is Pinterest, and it will only get bigger from here. I'm going to demonstrate how to monetize Pinterest today without taking any photos, building any blogs, or developing any new goods. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step and show you all the websites and tools you'll need to make between $50 and over $300 per day online. Therefore, all you need to do to start receiving payment is reply and follow each instruction I give you. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. We're going to use clickbank.com today to locate the precise product that I see other people using to generate income. And I'll demonstrate to you just how to begin. All you need to do is visit ClickBank and click the Start Here link at the very top. Next, complete these simple boxes to establish your account. The first thing you should do once inside is click the word Marketplace at the very top. You will then see this page directly here after that. Once more, we'll look for and sell a particular specialized product in order to profit. You will therefore write Dunk into the search bar and then click Search. Then you'll see this item right here called a vertical jump training after that. Right now, that is blatantly making individuals rich, and they get about $40 for each sale they make. So you can practically make over $100 online with just 3 customers. And the only thing you are doing is earning money from the goods you locate on ClickBank. This is essentially a training program that will enable people to jump higher. The product's website will be open if you click on the name. As you can see, this is essentially a video that will demonstrate real outcomes and provide concrete evidence that the method is effective. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that you can sign up for this training right here, and you will receive a commission in your ClickBank account for each person who purchases the course. So all you need to do for step 1 is find this product right here. Then, in order to access the website we just saw, you will click on the product's name in step 2. Check out this as well. You can see actual video testimonials at the very bottom of this page where people discuss their experiences with this training and compare their results before and after. You will find one of these videos on YouTube, download it, and then we'll start making money off of it. So all you need to do is copy the video's name for this step. You will therefore notice it at the bottom, after which you will go to YouTube, paste the name into the search bar, and the video will appear. As I just said, this is essentially a basketball product or device that will enable users to jump higher. And you could be asking yourself, who will genuinely want this? Look at this. Over 400 million individuals worldwide like playing basketball, according to a Google search on the subject of basketball participation. And while I'm aware that this is a large amount, I'm unsure of the veracity of the statistics. But even if only 1 million people enjoy playing basketball, or even 100 million, you may start profiting from this market right now. There are many people who would want to acquire this product since they would profit from it. And you will begin to make money every time one of them does. So because there are many of them, finding a YouTube video and clicking on it are the only things you need to do for the subsequent step. After that, copy the video's URL. In order to download the video to your device, locate the downloader. So this is the one I personally prefer to utilize. But all you have to do is perform a Google search for a video downloader. Then put the URL link inside of this box. Select Start, and the video will be downloaded to your device. So after finishing this step, move on to step 3. In order to personalize the video for this phase and start generating revenue from it, we'll use the website canva.com. You only need to visit Canva and register for a free account if you don't already have one. You will then select videos inside of this. After that, you should click where it says mobile video here. When you do that, the video editor will appear immediately. In a nutshell, Canvas is your graphic creation tool and website for films and images. Therefore, if you guys enjoy making graphics, be sure to visit canva.com. Therefore, once you're inside the editor, you'll upload the movie you just downloaded to your smartphone and add it to the screen. Once you've done that, start stretching the video. And this clearly shows that they are producing before and after videos. So, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 5, you should have the first week and then the 6th week, where they are essentially already receiving results, getting dunks, and essentially demonstrating that this thing truly works. In order to access the initial segment of the video, which was this one right here, click the scissors icon at the very top of the screen. So after you've cut it down to only show the first 2 weeks, you'll want to click on Add a Page at the bottom and you upload the video. After that, You'll just need to cut it down to the part of the video where they are actually seeing results. The last thing you want to do after cutting this video is to add text so that viewers can clearly understand what is happening. You only need to add basic text. Then, you're essentially demonstrating to them that this genuinely works, explaining what's happening, and letting them know the product's name and before and after pictures. Download the new video to your computer once you finish this completely. Then, in order to make money, we can begin to monetize it. We'll publish the movie to Pinterest as the very last and final step. Now, this isn't even something I consistently do or do a lot of. I've just used it sporadically to provide you guys examples of this. And you can see that I received views for the article I wrote inside of this and clicked on it. Therefore, all you need to do is open a Pinterest account. You want to convert your account to a business account once you are inside of it, in order to let Pinterest know that you're attempting to be a creator here, and so that you can start seeing all the stats. And once you're inside, you should click Create and Create Pin. Following that, you'll post the video you just produced. Therefore, you'll submit it here. Give it a title, a description, and be sure to include a hashtag at the very bottom. Here, in place of the destination link, is where we will insert our affiliate link and link tracker account in order to begin receiving payment. Give your video a title, a description, and a few hashtags that broadly describe the content. Okay, have a look at Dunk Like a Pro for beginners. And in my description, I'm basically saying that this piece is about basketball, with step-by-step instructions, real-world examples, and beginner-friendly training. You can learn to dunk like a pro in just a few short weeks. And you can see in my tags that I have basketball, basketball drills, and basketball issues. Whenever you type in basketball, you'll then be presented with a list of options. All you have to do is choose from this list, and it will be added to the hashtags. The next step is to put your destination link, which will be your affiliate link inside of ClickBank. At the bottom of the page, you start getting compensated for the goods when customers actually purchase it again. You will therefore click Promote here, then Create Link, and you will then see the unique link track your account. So this will be a unique link that they may use to recognize you as the source. However, you'll also see all of these letters and numbers. It will appear somewhat spammy. So, what we're going to do is copy the URL and then clean it up and shorten it using the website bit.ly.com, making the link appear less spammy. So, feel free to enter the link here, click Shorten, and then copy your newly created, shorter link. Every time someone clicks on this link, it will send them directly to the website. After they register and make a purchase, you begin earning a commission in your ClickBank account. Therefore, all you need to do is copy your short link, return to your Pinterest post, and put it exactly here at the bottom. When you're finished, click Publish to finish. You'll then see the post appear on your page after that. Therefore, the next thing you need to do is to start developing your page on basketball, dunks, and this particular product. As a result, when people visit your page, they are aware that it is all about basketball and essentially jumping higher. You will therefore be able to see all the sales you have made inside of your ClickBank account if someone actually purchases the product. And starting to earn an additional $50 to $100 online will be simple with this method. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.